What's going on, everybody? As you know, I've been pressure washing my driveway slash parking pad here, and still got this section left to do up here, and I've basically narrowed down the solution I use to half and half of outdoor bleach, regular simple green. It's probably about a 50-50 mix of these two, and then this blended about 50% with just regular water. But to put it out there before pressure washing, I'm using this really nifty Ryobi foaming attachment. You can get this at Home Depot. It works really well, and a much better job than you could ever do with a garden sprayer or a pump sprayer, especially a trigger sprayer. This thing will spray out there the solution, and you can just let that soak in, for however long you need to. This thing really does the job, and I'll show you how quickly this spreads out my solution that I'll let soak in.